Hey, what's up? It's Bass Magician, and I'm going to show you two coin disappearances. Now, these are very basic, but they have a pretty good effect, and mainly these are for kids' birthday parties, but if you can get away with fooling everybody with them, feel free. So, the first one is this. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take the coin in my hand. I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to open it up. Now, the first inclination is that I'm actually palming the coin, but I'm really not. And what's really cool is, if you pay attention, we can do 1, 2, 3, make it appear. Alright, so here's the tutorial for how I just did that coin disappearance. What I basically did was I snapped the coin up my sleeve. That's all I did. And so, once you snap it, goes up farther. You gotta have sleeves that are a little loose. And then once I had you concentrated on this hand, I dropped it into my hand so I was able to reproduce it. So that's vanish number one. This requires a little bit of coordination because this is the old, let's put the coin on your elbow and try to catch it. So again, you basically challenge people, and there's all sorts of weird things that people do. They'll put like 8 quarters up there and everything else. So what we're going to try to do is this. Now, here's where the vanish comes in. If you're actually wondering where it went, it's actually nowhere. So stay tuned for the tutorial for that. Alright, so here's the tutorial for how I made that coin vanish. It does take a little bit of practice, so if you drop the coin on the ground, I've dropped it several times, it kind of enhances the effect where it's kind of cool. So what happens here is I've gotten you looking at him catching the coin a few times in my hand. However, when I'm, as I said, case in point, I dropped it. So what happens here is, when you catch it, you get them used to doing it a few times, but instead of actually placing the coin in this hand, what I did was I kept it and fake transferred it, and what I did was I put the coin behind my back and I dropped it down my shirt, so when it looks this way, that's how you made it vanish. So you may want to make sure your shirt is tucked in for this effect, but that's basically it. The only problem with this vanish is you can't really get it to reappear right away the way I did the first one. So, alright, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's Bass Magician signing out. Have a good one.